I am in Islamabad here in Pakistan, and I decided to go a little bit outside. Well, it's not really outside the city, but there is like a lot of nature around the city here, so I wanted just to check it out. And I'm also on my way to check out the Pakistan monument. There are other people who have the same mindset like I am, maybe checking out like the monuments here. All right, let's go and check it out together. I'm almost there actually. You want to sell me something? Be on camera. They're very shy in front of camera. They're not shy. People are very friendly here. Pakistanis are amazing, very nice people. And just before arriving to the monument, like it's like an activity they make out of it here, you know. Very nice outside, like in nature. There's no way you go to Pakistan monument. It's here, by the way. So this is like the gate, and it's over there. I can see it, but you pay to enter? Really? It's just a monument. Like, there's nothing special about it. Is it really like you pay to enter this? Let's check it. What's this here? Looks like a ticket office, but there's no sign that says like you pay. Let me check with this guy here. Do you really pay? Do you pay to enter? Do you pay to enter?
Yes, yes.
How much is it?
It's ticket of 20 rupees.
20?
20 rupees.
Ah, okay.
You can get the ticket from me.
Okay, shukriya. 20 rupee. That's not bad. One, please.
Your ticket is 250. In which country?
Oh my God! It changed the rate immediately. No, bro. 250 to a monument. I'm Pakistani, but I'm outside. No, I'm Pakistani, but outside.
I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. Shukriya. Oh, this is Iran all over. Oh my God, like. No, I can't pay for that. 250 is a lot of money, by the way, for this. It's just a monument. There's nothing special about it. It's just, I can see it from here. Well, I've seen it. It's good enough for me. I'm not doing it. Let's go somewhere else. Get out of this area. Maybe get a motorbike taxi here to get me out of here. Oh man, I should have given it. I didn't know there's different prices here in Pakistan. This is the first ever I'm paying for a place to enter, and I should have just asked the guy to buy it for me. 250. The ticket changed immediately the moment I said it, spoke in English.